Hello traders, the title of the video is how to improve FX and Euro GBP, Euro British Pound trading using trend lines. Alright, so I have on my chart here a free trend lines, and we want to discuss how one can improve FX and Euro British Pound trading using a trend line. So the first trend line, we want to connect the low of the month of December 2015 to the low of the month of April 2017. All right, so because it does allow us to draw this black trend line. Here it is. So that is the line that I have on the chart here. So what I want to say to traders, we are now at all right, a hot spot trading zone, because we have the intersection between the black trend line and the level of 0.88628. It's a hot spot trading zone. So at this point in time, if we see any trading opportunity here, all right, we will take it. So we will be giving priority to bullish signal above 0.88628, and we will be giving priority to bear signal below that level. But be careful because of the trend line, and the trend line is also a support level. So in this zone, this is what we call a hot spot trading zone. So pay attention to this session here. If you are day trading and swing trading, and look for trading opportunity. So that's where we are now. You can see there is no chart pattern here. There's nothing exciting now. Now that I switch to the daily chart, so also draw like this trend line on your daily chart. All right, and this one also very close common sense trend line to the price. So you have two common sense trend lines start going up. Be aware of the first one here. So be very patient in this zone. There is a hot spot. This is a hot spot trading zone. Will you find a support and continue to go out? And will you find a resistance and start going down? All right. So the first thing that we are looking for, because sometimes a trader may go out and start placing a trade due to the technical indicator, divergence, bullish, and so on. But the most important thing that we want to remember is that we are looking for a trading setup, a high probability trading setup. Sometimes some trading setup are not useful for us because the risk is high, or the market environment is not suitable, especially the first week of the month. Next week is the first week of the month for forex trader. One should be very, very careful because of the high impact economy news. Believe it or not, there are a lot of forex traders out there that trade all the time, but they don't understand the market environment, how they should play with the forex market. Sometimes you just need to pause because the market becomes too volatile, and you come and trade another day. It's just a simple, all right, a strategy. So here, this one, okay? The next trend line that I want to talk about, talking about how to improve FX and Euro GBP trading using trend line, all right, is this green trend line. So we are connecting the high of December 2008, all right, to the high of July 2013. With those 2 points, we draw the green trend line. So if this currency pair is becoming very bearish, all right, and continue to go down more and more, all right, apart from the support level at 0.85184 and 0.83630, all right, watch out for this green trend line. So that's talking about medium term trading strategy. All right, if you continue to go down, have that trend line on your chart and leave it there. Don't forget it. And apart from that green trend line, be aware of the key levels. There's one also here at 079315. So there are key levels, so start going down. All right, be aware of that trend line. The next trend line that I want to highlight today is this one here. I'll color it now into turquoise. Can you see? It's not very clear turquoise. Okay, color it to pink. That's the pink trend line on my chart, connecting the low of July 2012 and the high of October 2016. With those 2 points, we have our pink trend line. So if instead it start going up, all right, from this hot spot trending zone, be aware of that pink trend line. All right. But apart from that pink trend line, we have a resistance also at 0.93742. So what are we doing here? We want to know, so we want to trade, we want to day trade, we want to swing trade, we want to position trade. We want to know where are the key levels. Why? Because the price is always going from one key level to the next key level, either the horizontal key level or the trend lines. We want to know those, okay, key levels. Another thing why we should draw those key levels is because there are hot spot trading zones. All right, the hot spot trading zone, those are the best place to look for trending setup. This was one here. Why? Because of the intersection between that black trend line and this horizontal line. Price went up. All right, are you getting it now? There's another one here. This is a hot spot trading zone. Why? Because of the intersection of that green trend line and the red line. All right, it's happening all over the place. There's another one here. Because of the intersection of the pink trend line and this line here. Especially if you are trading forex, it's very, very important to back up, so to speak, your trading, okay, your entry, all right, with, all right, key levels. You are hiding your stop loss behind key level, behind hot spot trading zone. All right. So know those hot spot trading zone, know the trend line, know the key level, okay, and then trade like a pro. So you look for the trading setup as we are here now. Okay, we will be waiting clearly now. Is there a trading opportunity? It's just now retesting it. We'll go to the daily chart, monitor the reaction price, chart pattern, all right. Any indication, a trading setup, all right. Price structure form in a vicinity zone, which is a hot spot trading zone. We will be happy to trade it. Anytime you change time frame, draw your channels. You can also project your channel. Anytime you change time frame, do exactly the same thing that you have done on the higher time frame. Like on the daily chart, we draw that channel. Then we start projecting it down to know where are the possible reversal points. And because we do not want to trade in the void, we are looking for the best place to place a trade. And the price is always going from one key level to the next key level, and it's headed to a target level. So now that we project it, is that correct? Project it. All right. The width of that channel. So we are now below the second channel. So we can project it one more time on the daily chart and see, okay, the possible reversal point. All right. Whether you are using a stochastic, MACD, or any technical indicator, trade first the price, draw the channel, draw the key level from the higher time frame, use market geometry, and look for the best place where you can place it. You see the black line that we have drawn on the monthly chart here. The price hanging there, it will be better for it to pull to the edge of that black trend line. Okay, and then we monitor the reaction, or even to the edge of the third blue channel. So you see now? So don't just buy and sell anywhere, anyhow, or if you receive a buy or sell signal, you want those signals to be either at the key level, at the hot spot trading zone, on the edge of a trend line. Sometimes people get into a trend only to be taken out because of the place where they are taking the trend, or the time when they are coming to the market. Talking about the first week of the month, it's quite challenging to trade forex. So this will conclude this discussion today about how to improve FX and EURGBP, Euro British Pound, all right, trading using a trend line. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. So we found a trading setup. We implement a top-down trading method to trade it like a pro. The top-down trading method allows us to control the risk. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.